Welcome to this unboxing video of Microsoft's Xbox One X, the latest and most powerful version of the Xbox One console. Opening the box, the first thing that you are greeted with is a cardboard pouch. This contains the Xbox Live Gold Pass, Xbox Game Pass, and instructions on how to insert the batteries into your controller and connect it to the Xbox One X console. Then you have another box with different compartments containing the power cable for the Xbox One X, as it now has a built-in power supply, a 4K capable HDMI cable. Microsoft also include a pack of AA Duracell batteries for your controller. Now front and centre in this box is of course the Xbox One controller, which looks almost identical to the original Xbox One controller, although it features some upgrades such as the 3.5mm headset jack. And finally we get to the Xbox One X console itself, which is fairly well protected with some foam padding and a protective cover. When removing the Xbox One X from the box, you'll soon realise that it carries quite a bit of weight for such a small console. The Xbox One X has a matte black finish, which in my opinion looks a lot nicer than the original Xbox One, allowing the Xbox One X to fit nicely next to any other media devices that you may have in your home. The back of the Xbox One X is pretty standard, featuring a HDMI out for your television, a HDMI in for a satellite or cable box, USB ports, an optical or SPDIF connection, Ethernet port for a wired connection to the internet, and an IR out. The design on the front of the console is very minimal, with only a USB port and the power button. This has been my unboxing of the Microsoft Xbox One X. Leave a like and comment down below if you own an Xbox One X or are looking to pick one up in the future. And as always, if you like this video, remember to like, comment and share this video. You can also subscribe for more content.